What's going on, guys? XXI Chris here, and today we are back with another video, and that's all thanks to Epomaker. Today we have the Epomaker GK96S 96% keyboard. It was just released on Kickstarter. The link will be in the description. But I'm excited to see what this keyboard has to offer. I haven't seen a keyboard like this. I saw the product reveal video, and I'm pretty curious to see how this performs. So let's open this up. Like I said, it's not a 60%, but it's a 96%. Compared to the other Skylong unboxing that we did, you can notice that this box is noticeably bigger. Going around the box, not too much information here. Looks like we have GK96S Gateron brown switches, a white case, GK1 PBT, white, black, yellow, maybe? Opening it up. Oh, it's like a white, black, orange. That's freaking nice. Lifting this card up, looks like just like a quick manual guide. 96% series RGB. It's a wired USB Type-C, or it's Bluetooth. So if you want to connect to your mobile device or your laptop, you can do so. And here it just looks like there are other products, or there are other colorways. So you can see there's an all black one, and then this is the version that we have here. So how it comes standard, the number key is on the right side, but let's say you're left-handed or you need to do quick numbers on your left hand, you don't want to take your right hand off the mouse, you can also switch it over to the left side. Opening this compartment on the front. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, we have a series of different Gateron switches. It's like we have silver, white, brown, yellow, red, blue, and black. Let's put that back in the box. Okay, looking forward. Ooh, we got a silver. Looks like a silver, kind of like a blue USB-C cable, gold tip. Looks like a keycap remover and switch remover. Let's see what else, and a few more things. Let's see. You got 2 alt keys, 1 control, 1 menu, and 1 window key. These are black. That's it for this part. Looks like there's nothing on the side, and now it's just the keyboard. Okay, time to take it out. Wow, I actually really like the layout. It actually looks really convenient, yet compact. You know, you have everything that you need and more. First time feeling the keycaps. Wow, it actually has like a smooth feeling to it, but then the spacebar kind of feels textured a little bit. Let me click down on the key. Oh wow, this is actually really nice. It feels a little weird having the keypad to the right, as most of the keyboards that I have used in the past were all 60%, never a 96%, however. So you have your plus, minus, enter, page up, page down, number lock, your number pad, up and down arrows, shift, enter. So this is really ideal for the user that works sitting down at a computer most of their time, kind of like an office worker or data entry or something similar to that, where they have to constantly type on a keyboard. But let's say they're working from home, their shift is over and then they shift into game mode. You can also use this keyboard for gaming. The keys are placed just as normal as any other gaming keyboard. So you have your shift, caps, tab. So let's say you have any keybinds on the left or to the right. You're not awkwardly trying to readjust and look for it, versus they're literally just all right here. So for example, me, if I'm playing Fortnite, I use my 1 through 4, I use a shift, tab, and I use here the alt. It actually looks like this comes standard for Mac usage because it has command instead of alt, and then here the I don't know what it's called, but it's like the Mac symbol instead of the Windows key. But as mentioned before, it does come with Windows keys as well. So I'm actually really interested to see how this is going to hold up when gaming and just regular typing. Under the keyboard, you have 5 rubber feet. You have one in the top left, top right, bottom right, and one in the middle. And then you have 2 like feet stands, one for like a small rise and then a bigger one to make it even taller. So I actually really prefer when a keyboard has 2 different options for the small or the bigger rise. That's a big plus for me. And then you have the logo and the serial number. Here on the top left, you have your USB Type-C. And no other physical buttons on the keyboard. If you want to turn on the Bluetooth, there's going to be some key combinations that you hit to turn it on. So that's good. So it minimizes the clutterness of a keyboard of having so many different buttons and switches physically on the outside of the keyboard case. So let's go ahead and turn this on. I'm just undoing the Type-C cable. Alrighty, turning it on for the first time. Let's see how this goes. Really nice. I actually like how the RGB complements the white keycaps. It actually makes it really pop out a lot. Okay, so now we're gonna see what type of backlit modes this keyboard has. Okay, so the first option we have is like a solid color. It looks like a blue color right here. And this is something that you can modify. If you don't want the blue, you can have a different color on it. Okay, it looks like it just cycles through different colors. Kind of looks like it's going through like a wheel of colors there. This one looks like it's going from bottom up, I believe. And then this just looks like regular RGB. So those were 1 through 5, and now let's go through 6 to 9. Okay, so it looks like as you type, the keycaps light up, or rather the switch. And also, let me turn the brightness up so you can see better. Okay. So as I press the key, the whole row lights up. And then number 8. I minimized the light so you can see it better. This is number 8. It sends a kind of like a shock wave of colors in the opposite directions. And then number 9. Okay, so this one is actually pretty cool. It's actually like voice activated, if that makes any sense. I'm not sure exactly how this works. It might be picking up on vibrations or something, but look, as I talk, the RGB lights react to it. So I'm gonna like snap my fingers and test it out and play with it so you guys can see. Oh my god, that's actually pretty cool. Hold on, let me. Okay, and now let's put it back to I guess number 1, which should be RGB. Yep. Alrighty, so that was actually pretty cool. I was surprised with that. I didn't think about that. All right, let's get to the typing test, folks. Alrighty guys, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a like if you guys were intrigued by this keyboard, if you guys are interested. If you guys have any other keyboards that you do have in mind that can contest to this keyboard, please let me know in the comments below. All respected links to this keyboard and the company will be in the description. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.